Hey everyone, welcome back to SavinABuck. Today we are building a very special project for a little lady, my niece. I had a request to build her a birthday present, and we're going to be building an activity board for a toddler to help maybe with her motor skills or things like that. It's going to be locks, latches, switches, and all kinds of good things like that. Just an old piece of plywood I've cut down. You can use about anything you want. I cut a couple of legs to put them together when we're done. And I got a whole bag of just locks, latches, and things like that. So we'll put it together and see what it turns out to be. Stay tuned. Alright, so I got some letters. We're going to personalize this one a little bit with her name. Her name is Quinn. We got some lights. Here's the light. We got a doorknob. We've got an eye hook and a padlock. We've got another little slide lock. A hook lock, and then we have another little set of clips here that will hook in here somehow. Try to get some little hooks to get it hooked up. So we're going to put a little bit of paint on these letters here. One of these letters, we bought them at, I believe, Hobby Lobby, and one of these letters is a little different color, so we're just going to put a little spray paint on these and then glue them up. We got the letters painted. We're going to glue them on real quick. Let's get about where we want them at first. Okay, we got all these parts and pieces. We're going to start getting together. We got some plumbing pipe, things like that, just from the hardware. We'll put it all together and see what comes of this. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is about it. This is a pretty easy do-it-yourself project. The kids will love playing with these little chains, little locks, latches. Please watch your children while they're playing with this. Don't just let them go. But there's a lot of little cool gadgets here and there that they can play with and help with their motor skills and things. Thanks for watching. SavinABuck. Guys, if you haven't liked and subscribe to the channel. It goes a long way, and hopefully we can build more and better stuff for you in the future. Thanks for watching. So they sent me pictures as soon as she got home to play with this. She is happy as can be. I only wished I would have built one for my child when I had her when she was younger. But it's a great do-it-yourself project. Give it a try and always watch your children. Thank you.